Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Zemurray Trail, one of the most peaceful natural areas inside New Orleans City Park. This scenic trail loops around Couturier Forest, a wooded section that feels far removed from the busy streets of the city. The path winds through native trees, quiet wetlands, and shaded sections that attract birds and local wildlife year-round. The trail is named after Samuel Zemurray, a prominent New Orleans businessman and philanthropist who contributed to community development during the early 20th century. Today, cyclists and walkers use this route to enjoy a calm, nature-focused experience within one of the largest urban parks in the United States. The elevated sections and gentle curves make it popular for casual rides, while interpretive signs along the way help visitors learn about the surrounding environment. As we ride, you may notice how the forested landscape provides a cooler, more tranquil atmosphere compared to the open park spaces nearby. City Park itself has a long and fascinating history that dates back to the mid-19th century. Established in the year 1854, the park has grown into a major recreational and cultural destination for both residents and visitors. During the Great Depression in the 1930s, Federal Works Progress Administration crews built many of the park's bridges, pathways, and stone structures that still stand today. The park endured significant flooding and damage during Hurricane Katrina in 2005, but extensive restoration efforts helped bring its trails, green spaces, and attractions back to life. In addition to natural areas like Couturier Forest, City Park is home to historic oak trees, botanical gardens, museums, and miles of paths for cycling and walking. Thanks for watching!